Hello students, welcome back to class. So today we will learn class 8 chapter 4 in science. Whatever activity we do in our day-to-day life, we apply force. Do you want to know how? Let's start. Okay, so force. Whatever activity we do, we apply force. Whenever we open or close a door, we apply force on the door. Whenever we ride a bicycle, we apply force on the pedal of the bicycle by our leg. Whenever we move, even whenever we walk, we apply force on the ground by our body. So whatever activity we do, if I want to move this, then I will have to apply force on it. If I want to, this pen is here, if I want to take it here, then I need to apply force. So whatever activity we do, we apply force. If I want to lift it, then I need to apply force. So these all activity has divided into two categories. One is pull and the other is push, right? So force is pull or push upon an object. What it means? That force is pull, whether you pull something in your side or you push something. If you are taking it from here to here, you are pulling this pen, right? And if you are taking it from here to here, you want to move it, then you are need to push it, right? So force is pull or push upon an object, and the other line says which is created by the interaction of two or more objects. What it means? Okay, I will tell you. Which is created by the interaction of two or more objects. What it means? It means I have a table. I have a table surrounding me, near me, okay? So I want to move it from here to end of the room. So I will have to touch it. I will have to interact with the table, right? Or I have a supernatural power and I will say table move and it will go there. Is it possible? No, it is not possible in the normal case, right? So I don't have supernatural power. I'm sure you don't have supernatural power. So we will have to interact with the object. So two objects interact, then force is applied. Got it? And we do every activity, there is forces applied. Like whenever you playing football, you kick a ball, right? So you are applying force on the ball by your body or leg, right? Whenever you play cricket, you apply force on the bat, right? Whenever you write, even whenever you write, you are applying force on the pen by your hand. Or whenever you are moving, whenever you are walking, you apply force. Whenever you are moving some object from here to another direction, from here to there, you apply force, okay? So in each and every activity we apply force. Got it? Now what you need to do? You need to do today that whatever activity you do, you make a list of that, and how you are applying force in that particular activity, you will write down that. Whatever you your thoughts, whatever you feel that this is the way I am applying the force, you will write it down, okay? And tomorrow we will discuss about it, okay? Bye bye, see you.